January 3, 2026, U.S. forces launched Operation Absolute Resolve, a coordinated night assault to capture Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. In the dark of night, U.S. helicopters, flying low over the Caribbean, closed in on Caracas. These included special operations variants of the Black Hawk and Chinook helicopters, built to deliver troops fast and extract high-value targets safely. One helicopter was even struck by Venezuelan anti-aircraft fire, but continued the mission without loss. U.S. Special Forces landed quietly at Maduro's fortified compound, secured him and his wife, and within hours had them aboard a U.S. warship. From the skies above to the decks below, do you think it was fair?
Tell us in comment.